Earlier in 2017, the FDA approved the combination of pembrolizumab, Keytruda immunotherapy with chemotherapy for a broad population of patients with advanced non-squamous non-small cell lung cancer, regardless of PD-L1 expression. Now, prior to that, immunotherapy as a first-line treatment was limited to patients with high-level PD-L1. And so the question we now face is, do we need to still do PD-L1 testing at all? And if so, what's the value of it? Well, I am in the group of specialists in lung cancer who feels that yes, there is definitely still a role for PD-L1 testing, and I don't broadly pursue the combination of chemotherapy and immunotherapy together yet without more information. Importantly, the pembrolizumab monotherapy is associated in patients with high-level PD-L1 expression with a response rate of nearly 50%. And most of these patients have a prolonged response that lasts over a year and potentially several years, with many of these patients having few or sometimes no side effects. In contrast, chemotherapy generally, as a rule, has more side effects, and it has more inconveniences for patients. So giving a combination of chemo with immunotherapy, while arguably appropriate for some patients, is not the approach that I personally would favor for patients who I know have a high probability of responding to immunotherapy without the chemo. So obviously the only way that we are going to currently pursue monotherapy with pembrolizumab, with Keytruda, is by still doing PD-L1 testing at the initial workup of patients, not just those with squamous histology who are not eligible for the carbo, pemetrexed, and pembrolizumab combination, but also for the non-squamous patients, because I would like to know whether these patients could potentially do very well for years with minimal toxicity just by starting with immunotherapy. So that's my take. This is going to be a moving field.